What if I told you that you could turn your Pinterest account into a money-making machine without lifting a finger? That's right. In just a few minutes, you'll learn the secret strategies top marketers use to earn passive income with affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Don't miss out on the chance to unlock this hidden potential. Stick around because your financial freedom could be just a pin away. Step 1. When choosing profitable affiliate programs, the first step is to identify niches that thrive on Pinterest. Popular categories include home decor, fashion, beauty, and health and wellness. Analyze which niches resonate most with Pinterest users, as these can drive more traffic and engagement for your pins. Next, research affiliate programs within these niches. Look for networks like Amazon Associate, Shareazale, or CJ Affiliate that host a variety of programs. Pay close attention to commission rates. Higher percentages can mean more earnings for each sale you generate. It's equally important to select products or services that not only have high commissions, but also boast a proven track record of success. Check reviews and ratings to ensure they are well received in the market. You want to promote products that inspire confidence in your audience, making them more likely to click on your links and convert into sales. Consider the relevance of the products to your target demographic. For instance, if you focus on health and wellness, partnering with brands that offer organic supplements or fitness programs can attract your audience effectively. Remember, authenticity matters. Promoting items you genuinely believe in helps build trust with your followers. As you narrow down your options, ask yourself, which affiliate products will your audience find valuable and irresistible? Your thoughtfulness in selecting affiliate programs sets the stage for your success on Pinterest. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Struggling to succeed in affiliate marketing? Get real results with Passive Profits Blueprint, our free video training designed for newcomers. Learn to choose the right product, connect with your audience, and generate income efficiently. Stop wasting time on ineffective strategies. Visit digmarketing101.com and start your journey to financial freedom today. Your success in affiliate marketing is just one click away. Act now. Step 2. Creating high-quality content and pins is essential for capturing your audience's attention and driving engagement on Pinterest. Start by identifying the solutions or inspiration that your target audience is seeking. What challenges do they face, and how can the products you promote address these? Craft content that resonates with their needs, such as how-to guides, tips and tricks, or inspirational stories that showcase the benefits of your affiliate products. Next, focus on designing eye-catching pins. Your images should be vibrant and well-composed, telling a story at a glance. Use text overlays to emphasize key points, making the purpose of the pin clear and enticing. Consider using a consistent color palette and style to create a cohesive branding that helps your pins stand out in users' feeds. Don't forget about the importance of compelling descriptions. This is your opportunity to engage viewers further. Use language that instills curiosity while clearly outlining the value they'll gain by clicking through. Incorporate relevant keywords to enhance your Pinterest SEO, making it easier for users to discover your content. As you develop this content, always ask yourself, what keeps my audience coming back for more? Focusing on providing genuine value will build loyalty and keep viewers engaged with both your content and your affiliate links. How do you plan to inspire your audience through your pins? Step 3. Regularly monitoring your Pinterest analytics is crucial for optimizing your strategy effectively. These analytics provide valuable insights into which pins resonate with your audience and how well your content performs. Start by identifying your top performing pins. Look for metrics such as saves, clicks, and engagement rates. This information tells you what your followers love and can serve as a foundation for future content creation. Once you've pinpointed these high performers, dig deeper into the data. Examine the demographics of your audience to understand who is engaging with your content. Are they primarily other bloggers, do-it-yourself enthusiasts, or shoppers looking for inspiration? Knowing your audience helps you tailor your future pins to meet their specific interests and challenges. As you assess your analytics, don't forget to pay attention to trends over time. If you notice a particular style or theme gaining traction, leverage that insight to create more related content. Additionally, experimenting with different pin formats, such as videos or carousel pins, can provide fresh ways to engage your audience based on your findings. Finally, always be open to adjusting your approach based on what the data reveals. Each piece of information is a stepping stone towards refining your strategy. Consistently integrate these insights into your content planning, leading to improved engagement and increased affiliate conversions. What strategies have you tried that yielded surprising results in your Pinterest efforts?